If you've ever wanted to launch a dropshipping store in record time without sacrificing quality or spending a fortune, then today is your lucky day. I'm Nate Paid, a dropshipper actually making sales every day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully functional, high converting dropshipping website in under 30 minutes. And it's all going to be powered by artificial intelligence. Today, we're using the Atlas AI Store Builder. This is a Shopify app that uses AI to automate everything you need to do on your website. Plus, it comes with a bunch of built-in apps such as customer reviews and upsells, which helps you to save money that you'd be spending on like 6 different Shopify apps. Drop a like and subscribe, and let's get straight to it. Now, before we get started with building the website, you're going to need 2 things. 1, your winning product. 2nd, you're going to need product images. That was my last video. Now that you have these 2 in hand, we can now get started with building the website using Atlas. If you'd like to try out the Atlas app for yourself and build your website with it, I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. This app does have different subscription levels. Currently, I'm on the cheapest plan, which allows me to have the theme license, 30 plus customizable theme sections, premium chat support, and 50 credits a month, which is what you use when you publish. And there's a higher plan here, which includes bundle upsells. I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like when you use them with this app. So now you're going to end up on this page. I recommend you to have already imported your product onto the Shopify store. Now that you've imported it, you just click on Shopify here and you want to identify your product. Here it is. And as you can see right now, it's creating my premium. It's asking me which of the product images I would like to keep. I'm keeping all because I made these product images myself. Then I'm going to click continue. It's going to ask us what kind of color scheme we want to keep on our website. I'm gonna select maybe Cool Glacier. Don't worry, you can change the colors later, so I'm not even going to edit that here. Custom colors, as you can see, you can put that in here. And next, launch your store. Good thing I have 50 credits. And you click launch. This is not the final stage. This is only step 1. All it's doing is creating the Shopify theme itself, just so you can now go in and edit that however you want. Now that we're back here on the app page, there's a few more things that we want to look at. As I mentioned, if you want to do bundles, it's here. You just click that. Now that the Shopify theme exists in our Shopify store, the next thing we want to do is create the website copy. I have my own personalized ChatGPT prompt, which I've been using for over a year, and you've seen the results it's gotten me. So this is a Google Doc, and I will share it to you guys for free in the comments down below. Just check it out there. And this is how the prompt goes. You're selling a product, you're gonna fill all the brackets in. Now that's the template, and you just want to send that to ChatGPT. So here's what I sent it when I made this the first time. You're selling an ab roller that has elbow support and 4 wheels for stability. Finish my product page, marketing angle towards people who work out at home and want to use an ab roller that targets their core only and not any other muscle group. And then you paste that in. Ignore the first answer, then you're gonna come and tell it, let me educate you on my product a bit more. Give it the product name, just tell it information about your product. You can get this information by just going to your product on Amazon. And after you tell it that, it's going to build out your website copy. If it messes up, like the angle or anything, you can just reprompt it. Like here, I didn't really like the first answer, so I told it to focus more on burning fat and building chiseled abs, okay? And as you can see here, everything that's in here is what I used on the website. Melt belly fat and build rock solid abs. That's right here, melt belly fat and build rock solid abs. And let me show you how to build this now. So here we are on the product page, and it's blank right now, and we're just gonna start editing everything. So first things first, we have this product review stars. Now 25k is a bit much, I'll say 200 plus. Price is good. And then want to edit the product features here. So I'm just going to use the same ones that I used on the website here. So elbow support to prevent face planting. Okay. And then as for the icon, there'll be a link right under here titled view all available icons. And when you click that, it's gonna let you just go in and view all the icons that you can choose. Next, the inventory status. Now that's something I prefer to hide. We have so many more sections here. Like, the website is basically already done. All you need to do is add the words. Just look at this. They already have the reviews here. All you need to do is just click and edit. So let's just get into how I organize all of this out. Okay, to change the color, okay, the color scheme is going to be on accent color. So you could do that to be custom color 1 or custom color 2. And to add those custom colors, you just head over to the settings and colors, and the options should be in here. As you can see, custom color 1 and custom color 2. Alright, we set it. If we retry to change this now, it's probably going to put our color. Let's see. Boom. Just as I said. Now after that, I want to put in an image with text, fill it in with the info from ChatGPT here. So, like so. And next, obviously, we want to add our image here. I did already make this image ahead of time. Boom. As you can see, it did it. And after that, what did I do? I had this thing over here that's showing the different companies where our product is featured. It's called the scrolling images section. And I'm gonna make that say as seen on. And then we want to center that. And then under that, now we want to start editing the scrolling images. Now, in order to get these, some of them I had to edit myself in Photoshop in terms of removing the background and making it black. And as you can see here, we have the Forbes logo in black. So you just want to download that. You click on this image and you put it in there. Alright, Joel, so the laptop had died. Let me get set up again so I can continue the video for you. But just look at this view though. You're gonna add the images that I just told you how to find, and then after that you're gonna add another image with text. Very easy. You just come back here, add section, image with text. All right, and then for these videos I use UGC content of my product, and then I just create GIFs from it. I added subtitles just because what he's saying is relevant to the product, because if your abs are on fire, it means you're burning fat. Now for this, it should already be here on the website by default. But yeah, just look at all of these additional sections, because I don't even use all of them, if I'm being honest. Here it is right here. This one is called the rich text, and then above them they just have 2 section borders that are making these waves. Again, another image with text. Make sure to turn on the sticky add to cart. That's this add to cart that's at the bottom, because people are lazy and they don't want to scroll all the way back to the top just so they can add to cart, even if it's gonna get them abs. So next we have this table here. Now it should make the table on its own, but if it doesn't, all you need to do is just tell ChatGPT, make a comparison table ab roller, and watch this, bro. It's going to make it in 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, maybe a bit more, but like, this is crazy. Just like that. And then you can just transfer all this information to your table here like I did. Next, for the reviews, you will have to type them in manually. If you want a lot of reviews, then you can just use the Vitals app, because it gives you reviews and a bunch of other stuff. That or Looks reviews, but these are more of like testimonial style. And then of course after that we have the FAQ. Now some bonus sauce. Set up email marketing after you get your first sale. Okay, email marketing is extremely important, because you're getting the same customer to convert over and over on the same product or on other products. You only paid money to acquire them once. Now you have a lifetime customer. So that's why email marketing is the best. Now, if you'd like to try out the Atlas app for yourself and build your website with it, I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, guys. Okay, and if you'd like my guide on how to create product images with ChatGPT, you can watch the video or you can purchase the guide. which is also going to be in the description down below, guys. Now, just before we wrap up the video, I want to show you guys that I am getting sales every day. Like I said, here's the Shopify store. I hope you guys can see my screen well. As you can see, yesterday we got 2 sales. I don't know if you can see, but I'm not a liar, bro. We really do it out here. So if you guys would like one-on-one mentorship, use the first link in the description down below, which will take you to 2paidcommerce.com, and you'll be able to book a free meeting with me, and we'll see if you're a good fit for my coaching, and I'll start teaching you exactly how I'm able to make dropshipping ads and make over $150 a day. You want to see the $150 a day? No problem, I got you. But yeah, as you can see, this ain't no screenshot, bro. Refresh check again. And until next time, my brothers, keep grinding, stay hard, and don't give up. Peace.